I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown,
Hello, I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I got. I got this baby fat leather jacket and it's super nice. Anyhow, it fits really nice. I like that the motorcycle kind of cuts like in a V shape. I don't really own anything from Baby Fat, which is like one of them, a very popular like Y2K vintage brand. Also saw a matching purse and I'm wondering if I should get it or not. I'm gonna see because I've been thrifting a lot and I'm still planning on thrifting with Sabrina like in a few days. Yeah, as you can see, since my last exam, I've been going a bit crazy on the shopping. It's honestly my therapy. I really need to control myself, but it's just like there's a lot of things that make me unhappy, but clothing is just that one thing that just makes everything better. I don't know. So I got dressed up and everything because I have to take some pictures in this coat. I know it's freezing right now, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, let's go.
You to teach me how to be like you.
I just finished taking pictures and my hands are, oh my god. I can't even hold my tripod. My hands are freezing. Oh my god, I can't. We're home, but I don't want to leave my car.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew
Bread, so we dessert.
all the niggas brown,
Can we eat this?
gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me.
Tell me it's good.
Gotta watch the time, it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Insta. Just the wrong maybe it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living off the bench, you know.
Oh wait,
I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know.
no one looks good. Back camera.
Thinking me down with the sun and friendship. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on the phone.
Just gonna unbox them.
Right outside.
Tiptoe, flying as the wind blows, go wherever we want. The beauty's in our travels, the travels. Tiptoe, tiptoe, I just sit up in the dark, my thoughts drift away, staring at the flower moon as night turns to day. Just held up in my room, my lonesome in me. This flower's gotta bloom, it's finally May. Tiptoe, swaying as the wind blows, I go. I've been seeking peace of mind since serenity, and I've learned along the way they come with relief. I say that life is hard, but I can't the things we enjoy.
To get my name in, someone keeps blocking my way.